Hello friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video will inform you how to create a team and add members. Create a team. Select teams and then select join or create a team. Now you have a choice to create a team or join the existing one. Select create a team. Choose from scratch. Now choose whether you want to make this team private or public. Give a name to your team and add a description. Now, click on create. Your team has been created, and now it's time to add members to it. Now, invite people to join your team. Go to the team you have created and click on more options. Select add member. Now, start typing the name of the person, groups, or contact groups to add them. You can also add people from outside your organization as guests using their email addresses. Once you are done with adding members, select add and then click on close. Create a channel. Once you have added members to your team, you want to set up some channels. By default, every team has a general channel. This is a good one to use for information and announcements for the whole team's needs. To create a new channel, go to the team name and click on more options. Select add channel. Give a name to your channel and add a description. You can create a channel around a topic, department name, project, issue, or whatever you like. Now, check the box saying automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list if you want to make it visible for everyone. Select add, and your channel is created. Customize and manage your team. As an owner, you have more options to manage and customize your team. Go to the team name and click on more options. Select manage team. Here, you will find different options, including members, channels, settings, and apps, all in one place. To give your team some personality, add a team picture. For that, select settings and click on team picture. With a good name, few members in the channel, and a perfect team picture, now your team is ready for communication and collaboration. As you know, Microsoft Teams is a popular collaborative platform. It contains lots of confidential data, and losing it can be hazardous for your organization. So, to keep it secure, we suggest you take a backup of the team's data. You can use an automated tool named Kernel Microsoft Teams Migration to quickly migrate your entire team's data, including chats, channels, conversations, files, etc. This tool allows you to run multiple migrations simultaneously and schedule a migration for later. Thanks for watching this video. Visit the web page of the software to get cleaner understanding. Have a great day.